Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix low volume issue in Bluetooth headphones on Motorola Signature smartphone. First of all, open Settings on your device, then scroll down to Sound and Vibration menu. In this menu, you're gonna have to scroll down to Dolby Atmos, select it, then once you go through the introduction, tap the gear icon in the bottom right corner of this app and switch the stereo audio from smart to either music or movie or game and see what works best for you. You can also try using spatial audio. And that's how you fix the low volume issue. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.